Yes, I'm in my bonnet because I just braided my hair down. I'm gonna get into that later, but don't mind my bonnet. I'm super excited. Y'all don't even know how long I've been waiting on this hair. Let's just get right on into it. So the hair is from HerGiven hair, and it just came in this DHL bag. And you know I Lysol it down, wiped it off, because y'all know why. But I'm about to open it. This better be good. Like, I'm scared. Oops. Okay, the packaging. Okay. Alright. I got 2 different packages. I don't know. So I got 3 different packages. And I'm sorry, but I just have to. It's just, I have to. Okay, I'm just gonna open this one first. Oh, that was so nice. No, that they didn't have to do that. Shout out to them. Shout out to HerGiven hair. They sent some masks, some gloves, and some alcohol pads. They did not have to do that. Shout out to them, like, for real. Shout out to them. That's so nice. No, this is this is a vendor from China or whatever, which I didn't know that before I ordered it, but that was nice for them to send masks and gloves and stuff. But let's get into the hair. Okay, in the package, we got the bundle and some marketing material. This is what it's looking like. Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah, so I was just telling me I ordered clip-ins, 3C4A, because I thought that's what was gonna match my hair the best. I don't know, like, I feel like I'm a 3C, but sometimes my hair can act like a 4A, so this is perfect. And then, like I said, 16 inches, 100 grams, and it's just a natural hair color. I'm gonna co-wash this using, let me actually grab this in my shower. This Cantu Complete Co-Wash for natural hair. I use this on my own hair, so I'm gonna use this in my clip-ins, and I'll be right back. So this is what the hair is looking like after I co-washed it. Still is holding kind of like the same texture, but it is kind of looser. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. Now, I'm gonna take my t-shirt like I would do my natural hair and just scrunch it to dry it. Well, not to dry it, but to get some of that excess water out. So before I cut the little plastic things off, I am going to show you how much I got in, how much shedding just came out of that quick little co-wash. Which, not more than I would get if I was washing my real hair, so yeah. Alright, so this one has 5 clips. These two are 4 clips. We got 2 3 clips. Oh wait, or is it? We have 3 3 clips, which, so there's 1, 2, 3 clips. Okay, now I am gonna go ahead and take my bonnet off, and I look crazy, but who's gonna fight me? There's like some gel in my hair from a slick down, but I'm about to put more gel in my hair anyway, so I'm gonna take some bobby pins and Okay, let's start installing, y'all. I'm gonna take the 5 clip on. Oh, I gotta open them. That is how long it is right now. And then we're gonna go in with our 4 clips. And then we'll put another one close to this side. And then we're gonna see how that works. Y'all, I never had clip-ins. Actually, I had clip-ins one time. Yeah, my grandma made them. But since then, but that was a really long time ago. Now they said one bundle is supposed to cover your whole head, and I'm not seeing how that's gonna work right now. I'm using As I Am leave-in conditioner. This definitely is my hair texture though. No cap. This is definitely my hair texture. Okay, so this is the final. This is how it looks when it's all braided. I know it looks crazy in the back, like I already know. Like, yeah, it looks crazy. Yep. I am going to. Oh yeah, I have to do this. I have to do my leave out. I'll see y'all in the morning. Hopefully this turns out. Please God, let this turn out right. I don't have time. Alright, hey y'all. Left the braids in for 2 days, so I'm about to take them down. And y'all remember how scared I was to see the end results. I'm still scared, but we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna start taking it down. I need to blend my makeup up here, so don't even pay attention to that. Okay, so far I'm already loving this hair because this looks exactly like how my natural hair would look if I did a braid out. Like, I did pretty much everything off camera. I did my edges and I laid it down off camera. All I did was smooth this part down, do my edges, put some bobby pins, and yeah. So now I'm just gonna fluff it out. This part right here is it's like getting on my nerves. So what I'm going to do, because I want it to like fall forward more, so what I'm gonna do is just take a bobby pin. The sun is going down, so it's gonna be kind of weird. I'm just take a bobby pin and pin it like that so that it stays forward. And so I think I'm going to trim it down just a little bit because y'all see how it's like, it's just not even, it's not doing it for me, so I'm gonna trim it just a little bit. Okay, so y'all just don't even know the struggle I went through to get this hair done, but we made it. I'm not complaining. It's cute. I gotta used to it. For sure, it's cute. I'm still playing around with it because I don't really know like exactly how I want it to look or anything like that, so I'm still like playing with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It turns out that it is enough for my hair. I could have used one more clip for the back, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm still playing with it. I don't know yet. It's cute. It's just I need to cut it some more. But I did go back in and change the way I did it. So I did like a 3 in the back, another 3 in the back, and then I did the 5. Because at first I had it going like 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, or whatever how I had it, and it just did not look right. But so I say that because placement really matters when it comes to these clip-ins, and I was getting really frustrated because I was like, there's not enough hair. Why would they send me this hair and it's not enough? But it definitely is. Yeah, y'all. That's it for this video. If you made it all the way through, I fucks with you. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Make sure you like, share this video with at least one person, and comment down below what you want to see next. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, all at luxury eye. And I will see y'all in the next video.